wedding on Saturday, July 19, 'twas 6820 Pacific Highway South in Washington, 98032. Save the date, Wathagi and Matin, wedding on Saturday, July 19, 'twas 6820 Pacific Highway South at Washington, 98032. Save the date, Wathagi and Matin, wedding on Saturday, July 19, 'twas 6820 Pacific Highway South in Washington, 98032. Save the date, Wathagi and Matin, wedding on Saturday, July 19, 'twas 6820 Pacific Highway South in Washington, 98032. Whoa, buddy. Save the date, Wathagi and Matin, wedding on Saturday, July 19, 2012 to 682828 Pacific Highway South, Kent, Washington, 98032. With a two, without the do with a Luger, with a two, but I could not date a two, with a two, before you man you through Pacific Highway South, Kent, Washington, 98032. Save the date, Wathagi and Matin, wedding on Saturday, July 19, 2012 to 682828 Pacific Highway South, Kent, Washington, 98032. With a two, without the do with a Luger, with a two, but I could not date a two, with a two,